Hi students, how are you? Today we want to study about nature. Spelling nature N A T U R E nature. Kind of natures are cloud, rainbow, wind, star, sun, sea, rain, and sky. One more time, follow me. Cloud, rainbow, wind, star, sun, sky, rain, moon, and sea. Now, look at here. What picture is that? Oh, that is cloud. Spelling cloud, C L O U D, cloud. Again, spelling cloud one more time. C L O U D, cloud. Continue after cloud is, oh, what is that? Do you know what picture is that? Yes, that is star. Spelling star, S T A R. Again, spelling star, S T A R. After star, next is, oh, what's that? Can you make a wind? Like that? Yeah. Wind, spelling wind is W I N D. Spelling one more time. W I N D. Now, what is that? Oh, that is a colorful of rainbow. Spelling rainbow, R A I N B O W. One more time, spelling rainbow, R A I N B O W. After that is, oh, what is this? Do you know what picture of that? Yes, that is sea. Spelling C, S E A. Spelling again, S E A, sea. Now, you know that picture is rain, rain, go away, like that, right? Yes, that is rain. Spelling rain, R A I N, rain. One more time, R A I N. Now, this one is something you ever see at night. What's that? Yes, that is moon. M O O N. Spelling moon faster, M O O N, moon. And then after that, do you know what kind of this picture, this nature? This is sky. Spelling sky, S K Y, sky. Again, S K Y, sky. Yes, that is the last of nature. So now we will repeat again. Look at here. Can you spelling by yourself? Yes. Yeah. Spelling moon together. M O O N, moon. Good job. And then after that, spelling again. Oh, that is, what's that? Rain. Spelling rain, R A I N. Oh, goodbye rain, 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 go away. And then after that, that is sea. Spelling C, S E A C. Goodbye sea. Continue. This is a, oh, that is Rainbow. Yes, spelling rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. And then, what is this? Oh, this is a wind. Can you blowing wind like that? Yes, W-I-N-D, wind. And then spelling again. What is that? Oh, that is star. Spelling star. S-T-A-R. Star. Goodbye, star. And then what is this? Oh, this is cloud. Spelling cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Bye bye, cloud. Yeah, that is kind of nature. Now repeat one more time. What is kind of nature? Cloud, rainbow, wind, star, sun, sea, moon, rain, and sky. Okay, you must to study at home ya. Bye-bye.